Namaskar, myself Dhanvantari Rohit Wangde. I am the CEO of Jnanashri Institute of Engineering and Technology. With a very wide vision and focus of our Honorable Founder and Chairman, Bhai, we have started this institute in this absolutely scenic area, and he wanted to give something more to his own people. His thought process behind it was to give the better education and life or the betterment of the society in this rural area, and with the same thing following his steps, we both are trying to do our best in this institute. We believe that Jnanashri has reached a point where we are giving absolutely great technological or technical education to all the students. The students which we have come from very different backgrounds, mostly the rural area. Even though we make sure that they get the better opportunities in their life, I personally focus on to training and placement, and so we proudly say that we are the one who give the best placement in Satara, and we give lots of good companies with very good packages to the students. That is where we give a great platform to them. They can come out with a very bright future in their life. So for these students, a small opportunity also matters, and giving them this opportunity makes us feel pleasurable and satisfied that we are the one who are the part or who are the source to provide them with this. Apart from this, where we focus into project based learning, also we are trying to provide them better opportunities in terms of entrepreneurship also. Few days back we have started or incorporated into an incubation center where we provide lots and lots of different types of courses, the programs, workshops to the students who want to get into entrepreneurship. We have lovely students who have great ideas, who want to make their own businesses. We are always there to foster them with more and more abilities. We give them overall necessary things which are required, the trainings, sources, mentors, advisory boards, whatever is required to them, and we are very much grateful to the whole fraternity over here which gets involved into this. The students are very much enthusiastic. These days tier 2 and tier 3 cities are too much focused onto entrepreneurship, and we are really happy to see that even our students are willing to be the part of it. They are coming up with different ideas. They want to do something big out of it. The way they participate into different competitions and get rewarded over there is just blissful for us, and we believe that this is going to give a great future to overall the whole institute. Thank you.